We'll guide you through how to delete an Apple ID account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. For whatever reason you want to delete your Apple ID account, perhaps you no longer use it or there's another reason why, we'll guide you through the steps. But do just remember you are going to be losing all of your data on there, including things like your location sharing and family sharing with other people as well. So do consider that. But if you're sure, we're going to guide you through the steps, so make sure it's this full video so you know what to do. So what you need to do is you need to come out of settings and you need to go and open up a web browser. We'll go and use Safari. Now, the quickest way to go and do this is to go and tap on the address bar. And what you want to do here is go and type in privacy.apple.com like so, and you can then go and press go. It's going to go and bring you straight to the data and privacy. You need to go and log in with your Apple account. If it's giving you the right one here, you can press sign in, or alternatively at the bottom, you can press use a different Apple account. It's got mine here though, so I can just go and press sign in like so. I'll need to complete Face ID to act as the authentication, and then we should go and be logged in and signed in, as you can see. So what I recommend you do here is at the top here is you obtain a copy of your data, so you can go and have a backup of this because you are going to be deleting your account, of course, so you can go and do that there. Now, what you can do is you can just temporarily deactivate it if that's going to solve the problem. But if you're sure you want to go and delete it, at the bottom it says permanently delete your account and associate data from all Apple apps and services. So what we can do here is go and press request to delete your account. We'll then go and start circling like so. It says you can request to permanently delete your account at any time for any reason. As you can see, make sure you understand what happens when your account is deleted. You can't use the Apple services or App Store media purchases. All of your iCloud data is going to be lost. You can't receive messages via iMessage, FaceTime, or iCloud Mail. So there's a lot to go and consider here. If you're sure you want to go and scroll down, and it recommends going and doing a backup of your data, as I said, you can go and sign out your devices and review active subscriptions as they're going to be cancelled when your account is deleted, and it is permanent. So you can go and give a reason like so, and then what you can do is go and press continue and you can go and follow through the steps. There's lots of things to go and understand here. So read it all through and then you can press continue and you'll be able to go and delete it and request that. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then consider subscribing and liking the video.